Hi, my name is Gladys with the City of Sarasota Parks and Recreation District. Today our activity is sock bunnies. Now you can use any sock that you have laying around the house. If you have any mixed match socks, this would be great for this activity. Let's first go over what you'll need. A cup, a sock, a permanent marker, rubber bands. I would suggest using smaller rubber bands, scissors, and any kind of decorations such as ribbons or bows. And you can use rice, but today we're going to use flaxseed. And then last but not least, I have a tray. So first we're going to put the sock in the cup and stretch it out over the cup. I'm gonna take the flaxseed and pour it in the cup. We wanna get it nice and full. We have a nice round bunny. All right, I think that should do it. All right, now we can take it off the cup, and then we can start with the first with a small rubber band, and we're going to tie it, kind of squish it down a little bit, and then tie it around. Now we're going to make the head. So we want to get a little over halfway, less than half, grab it, and now we're gonna tie the rubber band around. Okay, so now we have the head. All right. And then next we're gonna make the ears. So you'll take your scissors and you'll cut right down the middle. I'm gonna cut a little bit more. I want its ears to be a little more floppy. All right, last but not least, let's make his tail. So you're gonna take a little ball from the back There you go, we got a nice little tail there. Okay. So now we can start decorating. So we can make the eyes. Keep in mind, you can get creative as possible. You can make any kind of facial expression you would like. All right, so I gave him a nice big smile there. Okay, I'm gonna tie a bow using my ribbon. And there you have it, a sock bunny. All right, well, stay tuned on our social media for other contests, crafts, exercises, and more.